I'm gonna help you build a professional website in just 15 minutes. All of these websites and apps that you see on the screen right now, I built these minutes before recording this video. Now, you might be wondering, how is that possible, Joshua? These websites look professional, they look custom, and yeah, that's because they are. And yet, none of them required me spending thousands of dollars on a web developer or having any technical skills at all. It's pretty crazy. Now, all of this is possible thanks to AI, as some of you may have already guessed, and specifically an AI website builder that I've been testing called Hostinger Horizons. Now, I'm gonna be completely honest with you here, okay? I'm always a bit skeptical with these AI website builders. As a former web developer myself, I know exactly how much goes into building a single website, especially one with a lot of features. And so I've been testing this tool for the past couple of weeks just to make sure that it was legit. And after spending some time using it, I'll have to say that I am actually impressed. Not only can you build professional websites in just minutes, you can also build sites with real functionality. And so things like e-commerce, booking/appointment scheduling, contact forms, membership areas, user dashboards, even custom tools and interactive sections depending on what you're building. It's pretty remarkable, actually. Listen, in today's world, having a website, in my opinion, isn't optional anymore. Whether you run a business, offer a service, or just want to have some type of professional online presence, a website is the foundation for all of that. And that's exactly why in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can build your own professional website using Hostinger Horizons, even if you are a complete beginner. Now, to get started, you'll first want to click on the link down below in the description of this video. That link will take you directly to this page right here. And from here, you'll just click on Start Now. Once you do that, you'll land right here on the pricing page. Now, for most of the people watching this video, especially if you plan on building like a website or a web app, like I'll show you how to do in this video, I recommend going with at least the starter plan. It gives you kind of the best balance of features and value, and it'll be more than enough to build your website. So I'll select the starter plan. Now on the next screen here, before you check out, just a couple of things I wanna go over. The first thing is you have an option to choose to pay on a monthly basis or 12 months in advance. If you pay in advance, then you are going to save about $70. Plus, if you use the coupon code Joshua Mayo, right here where it says coupon code, I'll just type in Joshua Mayo and then hit enter. That's gonna save you an additional 10% off of your plan. But anyways, once all of this is done, you'll hit enter, and now you're gonna go ahead and enter your billing and your payment details. So quickly just finish that. And then once you finish the checkout process, you're good to go, okay? After that, you should be dropped right into Hostinger Horizons where you can start building immediately. Now, from here, there are basically two ways to build your site. The first way is you can pick a template down here, and you can see there are a lot of really cool websites and web app templates that you can choose from, and these will just basically help to give you a foundation. Now the second way to build your website is just by telling the AI what you want to build, and that's the route that I'm gonna go, and I'll do it live right now so that you can see how well this actually works. So in this box here, I'm just going to describe the website that I want. And so, for example, I'm gonna go with maybe some type of local service business, maybe like a landscaping business, because this is the kind of website that people typically pay thousands of dollars to have a professional web developer build for them. And we're gonna build that same website using this tool just so you can see how powerful it actually is. Okay, so I'll type in create a professional website for a local landscaping business called, I don't know, a greenscape landscaping, okay? Now, we don't wanna just stop there, okay? We wanna be as specific as possible with the AI so that it actually builds something that we are happy with, okay? And so I'm gonna go on and say the site should have a clean, modern, outdoor-inspired design with green and earth tone colors. And then I want to include a homepage with a strong headline, a short description of services, and a clear call to action to request a quote. I also want a service page for lawn care, landscaping design, hardscaping, and maintenance. I want a gallery page to showcase before and after project photos, and I want a contact page with a contact form and business info. This business serves residential and commercial customers, and so it should feel trustworthy, local, and professional. And so you can see for yourself how detailed I'm getting with this prompt. You want to be sure to be as detailed as possible so that the website turns out exactly how you want. If you just say, create a website for my barbershop, then, chances are it's not going to give you exactly what you want because that's way too vague. You have to get more specific with exactly what you want, down to the pages, down to the style, down to the specific features that you're looking for. You want to make sure that you enter those into the prompt box here. Now, one other cool feature that I want to show you really quick is that you can actually upload reference images by clicking this button right here. And so, for example, if there was a website or a design style that you liked, you can upload images of it right here, and the AI will actually use that as inspiration when building your site. So some really cool stuff here. But anyways, once all of this looks good, we'll hit enter. And this is the part that still constantly blows my mind, right? I'm not picking layouts. I'm not designing anything. I'm just describing the business, and the site is being built for me right now in real time. All right, so it's done building the website, and here it is. And I think that this looks really, really good. In my opinion, this right here is already way better than most small business websites. I mean, I know companies who have paid upwards of, $5,000 to have their website built, and it doesn't look even nearly as good as this website that Horizons built for us in a matter of seconds. And keep in mind, this is the very first version, right? We haven't touched anything yet. Now, if you're happy with the first version of your website, then perfect. But I do want to point out something really important, okay? If you want to make changes on your website, you don't actually have to redesign anything yourself. All you have to do is just ask the AI to do it for you. And so let's just say, for the sake of example, that I want the homepage to maybe hit a little bit harder. I want the main headline to be more bold, and I want some subheading text that clearly communicates professionalism and reliable landscaping services. So what I would do is I would just come into the AI chat box here and type out exactly that. I want the homepage to hit harder. Maybe make the headline more bold, and I want a subheading that clearly communicates professional, reliable landscaping services, and then just hit enter, and we'll wait for the AI to make those changes. And just like that, the changes have been made. Now, if you wanted the heading or the subheading text to say something specifically, perhaps you already have text or copy for your website, well, you can just tell the AI what that copy is, and it can change the text to say that for you. The next change that I want to make on this page, though, is I want it to be extremely clear what someone should do when they land on the site. So for a local service business like this one, that usually means requesting a quote, okay? So I'm gonna add a prominent request a free quote button in the header that then links to maybe the contact form. So again, I'll come into the AI and I'll type in add a prominent request a free quote button to the website header and link it to the contact form. Make it stand out visually as the primary call to action, and then we'll hit enter. And just like that, there you go. And if we click on this button right here, it should take us immediately to the contact form, which it does, okay? So some pretty cool stuff, and this is all done with AI. Now, let me show you just one more thing, okay? A lot of service-based businesses need some kind of a quote request or a project submission section. And so I actually wanna add a simple quote request section where customers can submit their project details. So I'll type in add a simple quote request section where customers can submit their project details, including their name, contact information, service type, and a brief description of the project. Okay, and then I'll hit enter. And just like that, we now have this feature added to the website. And by the way, this is actually functional. This isn't just a nice looking website that has some nice looking forms that don't actually work. All of these forms and stuff actually work. All of the links work. Like, this is something that a real business could actually start using today. Now, from this point, it's really just a matter of making small tweaks and adjustments that you might want to make. And so things like changing text or swapping out images or adjusting things to kind of just like better match your business. So yeah, with this tool, there are no dragging elements around. There is no digging through confusing menu options. All you do is type out what changes or additions you want to see on the website, and the AI will do it for you. And again, I can't stress this enough. If there is a specific kind of functionality that you want to see on your website, just tell the AI what it is and it'll build it for you, okay? And trust me, it can do some really impressive stuff. And speaking of that, let me really quickly show you something that is honestly even more impressive than just building your website. Like I mentioned earlier, Hostinger Horizons isn't just for building websites. You can also build custom tools and web apps that you can actually use day to day. So for example, let's say that you run a service business. It doesn't matter if it's landscaping or cleaning or pressure washing or car detailing or consulting, whatever. Let's just say that you run some type of service-based business. One thing that you're constantly dealing with, more than likely, is invoicing, right? Like, you have to send an invoice to your client so that you can actually get paid. But invoice software costs money, right? And so what if, instead of having to pay for another piece of software, you could actually build your own invoice generator web app? Well, let me show you exactly how to do that using this tool. It's pretty incredible. So up here, I'm back on the main page now. I'm going to describe the app that I want to build. And so I'll type in create a web app that generates professional invoices for service-based businesses. The app should allow the business to enter company details, client details, invoice number, invoice date, and the due date. Also include a section where users can add line items with descriptions, quantities, prices, and automatically calculate the totals, discounts, and taxes. The app should display a clean, professional invoice preview and allow the user to download or send the invoice to a client. And so we're asking for some very specific functionality here. And then finally, use a simple modern layout that's easy to use. And that's it. I'll hit enter, and just like before, the AI will start building the entire app. So it'll build the form itself, it's gonna build in the logic, the calculations, the layout, and so we'll just give this a few seconds to work, and then we'll see what it's actually built for us once it's done. Okay, so as you can see, we now have an invoice generator web app. And this isn't a mock-up, by the way. Like, this is a working app. You can enter your company info, you can add a client, you can add line items, and the totals update automatically, right? This is something that you would normally have to pay for, but instead you can just create it yourself within Hostinger Horizons. And of course, just like with the websites, any changes that you want to make, you just tell the AI and it'll make those changes for you. And so for example, if I wanted to add new fields or adjust how the invoice looks, I just tell the AI what I want and it updates the app for me. And when you're ready, you can publish this and use it like any other web app, or you can even share it with other people, right? Like perhaps you have employees that work for you and you want your employees to be in charge of invoicing your clients. Well, you can share this web app with them and they can do that. Right? So some really, really cool stuff here. So yeah, listen, I'm really just scratching the surface with what this tool can actually do. There's honestly no limit to what you can build with it. You've already seen how fast you can build a professional business website, but that's just the starting point. This is perfect if you are a local business owner, whether you own a landscaping or cleaning or HVAC or plumbing or home services business. And all you need is a clean website that has like a services page, a contact form, and a quote request feature. This tool can build that for you for significantly cheaper than what you're gonna pay to have somebody else build it for you, like a professional web developer. This tool is also perfect if you want specific features on your website, like perhaps you want tools like a booking system or a client intake form or client dashboards or different internal apps like the invoice generator that we just built. You can even build personal websites, and so things like portfolios or resume websites or personal like brand pages that actually look modern and professional. You can build landing pages for products, or services or offers with lead capture forms and email signups and call to action buttons. You can build simple SaaS style apps. And so things like calculators or generators or color pickers or like search tools or niche utilities that people normally assume require a developer to build for them. And you can even build client portals where users log in with login information and then they can view information or submit forms or interact with custom features that you define within that logged in area. And the crazy part is that everything you've seen here was built without having to write a single line of code. You just describe what you want and Horizons builds it for you. We are living in a truly incredible time for technology. Now, if you want to try this out for yourself, again, I'll leave a link down below in the description. And don't forget to use coupon code Joshua Mayo at checkout to save some extra money on your plan. Now, if this video has helped you at all, do me a huge favor, leave a like down below. Share this video with a friend or with a family member or somebody who is trying to build a website for themselves, but they don't really know where to start. This is the perfect tool for them. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more content like this. And also, let me know if you have any questions down below. Just leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer your question as soon as possible. And as always, I will see you again very soon. Take care.